the steps. I'm not going to go into detail about measurements here because honestly I can't really remember, but I'll let you guys know what I'm doing as I'm doing it nonetheless. Now we're just mixing all the dry ingredients together, passing the baton off to Freyja. I am so sorry if you guys hear any airplanes going by. I live right next to a private jet, private airplane airport, and there's constantly airplanes going by and private jets going by. I also live next to a very busy road, and for some reason people in Arizona love to have the noisiest cars, the noisiest sports cars. Why? I don't know. I couldn't tell you, but it is what it is. This girl is crazy. I thought this video would be kind of a good way to kind of show you guys her personality. Very goofy, but she loves to be helpful. This is me getting the sugars all measured out. This recipe calls for cane sugar and brown sugar. Don't even ask me what she was just doing because I have no idea. All I know is that she was dying to get into that chocolate. As I said, continuously stirring the butter till it starts to brown, and this took forever. But while that's browning, it's a good time to get all of your ingredients ready. So now we're gonna get the chocolate out, and these are just regular Hershey bars. And you guys, if you are baking, do not buy chocolate chips. Buy chocolate bars and cut them up into chocolate chunks. I am telling you, it is a game changer. So much better than chocolate chips. You guys are gonna kind of see that Freyja kept reaching to grab the chocolate, and I did scold her. You're going to see she gets a little sad, but she knows it's not safe to put her hands up there while I'm cutting things up. She got really sad, but I just gave her some chocolate and all was better in the world. I think she was just really excited and waiting for that chocolate, so she just kept reaching for it. But either way, she knows that that's not safe. I had to tell Riley and Freyja to stop eating the chocolate, but they kept reaching for it either way. There was nothing I could do. The odds were not in my favor, as you can see. I want to apologize for my appearance in this video. I was so tired this day. I had zero energy in me, but it's whatever, honestly. We had a fire going this day, and we had the back door open so that you can see the mountains, and the breeze was coming in. It was around 70 degrees this day. Cold for Arizona, but it was like a perfect day. It was absolutely beautiful. She's daydreaming about what? I don't know. Probably like unicorns or something. Or she's planning on how to steal all the chocolate. As if she needs more. She's going cross-eyed. She's chocolate wasted. I keep telling her her eyes are gonna get stuck like that, but she doesn't listen to me. My parents always used to tell me that when I was a kid and I'd roll my eyes or go cross-eyed, that my eyes were gonna get stuck like that, and so I got scared and I never did it. neighbors would not be happy with me. Scraping the sides to make sure I get all of the mixture off the sides of the bowl so it is combined evenly. It should be like a sand-like texture at this point. And now we're cracking in our eggs. Like I said, Freyja and I are in our baking era as of lately. She's getting so good at cracking eggs, and she's always so proud of herself afterwards. Just a splash of vanilla extract, giving that a good mix. As I said, I got this KitchenAid for Christmas, and I'm still a rookie when it comes to using it. I always forget to lock it when it comes to mixing, and so it'll start going crazy, but whatever, I'll learn, I guess. Now I'm mixing in our dry ingredients in with the wet ingredients. See, look, I forgot to lock it. Like, girl, just lock the damn KitchenAid. It's not that hard. Again, just scraping the sides of the bowl to get all of the excess off the sides. You guys, I'm sorry if you hear my neighbors. They're outside like yelling at each other, arguing or something. And again, the loud cars going by. I can't win here. I really can't. Now I'm just adding in the chocolate chips. Giving that a good mix. And here is our beautiful dough, ready to be chilled in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. It smelled heavenly. Freyja's just picking her nose. Love that. Love that for her. Okay, guys, so I accidentally left the dough in the fridge for a little too long, and the dough got a little dry. Do not do that. Do not let it sit in the fridge for too long. I actually had to get ready this day because it was Super Bowl Sunday, and we were going to like a barbecue type thing. So it sat in there for a little longer than it should have. So the dough was a little hard to work with. It was just really dry at that point. But, learn from my mistakes. Do not do that. Nonetheless, they turned out perfect. Like gooey on the inside and a little crunchy on the outside. Super chocolatey. Doubling it probably made like 30 cookies. Honestly, we had a lot of cookies. I had no business making that many. I think I ended up eating like 4 or 5 a day, but whatever. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, Here's Freyja having her first bite. I think her pupils dilated. Here's Riley having his first bite.